Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to show you the unboxing of the Myflydream Crosswind Mini. This is the 1600 wingspan version, capable of carrying 3.5 to 6 kilograms all up weight. And let's get started. So, first we open the box, ready to cut, take out. What's in this box is, of course, the phone protecting $20 parts together. I ordered the plug and play package, so I have this electronic components, servos, the propellers, of course the motors, and ESCs. So let's check out what is inside this box. This is a 9 by 7.5 propeller. I think this is APC style. I don't know if this is the legitimate APC. I think it's not. So okay, let's put it here. Okay, we have here the X2814 510 kV brushless motors. This is from Sun Sky. I think this is Nimbus. Okay, this is a rebrand of the Sun Sky 2814 510, I suppose. Looks the same. Okay. By the way, my setup is for 6S, so this powertrain is good for 6S. We have here two hobby wing fly fan, 30 amps up to ESCs, but instead of using this one, I opted to use my Flyfan 40 amps V5 because these ESCs have a reverse throttle capability. So if I have a landing gear and intended on rotating the motors backwards, these ESCs are good for that. Yes. In this package we have 4 ES08MD servos, Metal Gear digital servos, but I bought another one especially for the dual elevator servo setups. And what's up here? One XT60. Okay, what else? So here are the components, plastic and balsa wood components for the Myflydream Nimbus 1600 Crosswind Mini. I like how the Myflydream protects their package by providing this big chunk of foam to ensure that it won't get damaged during shipping. Unlike how other suppliers or how other manufacturers ship their package, they don't even care how they protect their units if their package being sold. Okay, so I think this is one of the belly replacement if I opted to use a landing gear as shown in other reviews. This one is for setups with landing gear, so you have this notch here for the wheel. And, okay, this is your vertical stabilizer, and this piece of foam will be for the under the fuselage hatch. So no damage on the vertical stabilizers, no damage on the other part. Okay, I have this Myflydream decal. I don't know if I'll be using it. Pop it out. So see how Myflydream protected their package by providing this big chunk of styro. packaging is divided into two components. This one. The upper half holds the wing. See, no damage during the shipping because of this big chunk of foam. Okay. You see no damage on the wings. Perfect. And the other wing, of course. This is the other wing. Perfect. No damage on shipping. And okay, let me lay this down. So this is your big chunk of foam. Okay, now as for the fuselage, we have this main fuselage. Of course, this is your canopy hatch for FPV or for mapping purposes. And of course, you have this piece of removable canopy too for your bay, for electronics, or mapping gear. So you have these two horizontal stabilizers, perfectly packaged. What else? And of course we have this enormous fuselage. Okay, this is the one I'm telling you before. You have the two pieces of this hatch. So one for the standard mapping camera without for belly landing, no notch for the landing gear, as compared with this one that has a hatch here, that has a notch rather for installation of landing gear. So you have two of them. Okay, your canopy hatch for your mapping gear and FPV rig, and this is your generous enormous fuselage. Okay. Inside your fuse you have this foam packaging, and this is your standard FPV pod, motor mount covers, the other underside of the motor mount, and that's it. So everything is neatly packed, in contrast with my Skywalker where they just dump almost everything inside, and also on my Big Talon where they don't even care if there will be damage on the wings or in the other parts. So I appreciate how Myflydream took the effort to pack their big package. And, okay, so let me go here. So this is the pod actually. That's how big the fuselage is. You can imagine putting 6S packs. I think two 6600 6S will do, or lithium ion packs. Okay. So well, I said that you have a mapping canopy like this one, and you also have this standard FPV canopy. Okay, let me open this up. So this is the standard FPV canopy, where you can put your your FPV gear here without even the need to cut through this foam. So for mapping or for non-FPV, you can use this one, or up this one, and add your gimbal, add your pan and tilt mechanism here. And also you have this nose cover for python tube or for um, tractor motor setup. If you want to have a puller type plane or a VTOL setup, we will be needing this one for motor, but I guess I'll be using it for python tube only. Okay, I'm getting excited to proceeding with this build. Okay, here are the plastic parts. Okay. This package came partially assembled but not glued together. I think I'll be still needing to glue all these parts together. I don't know if this one's glued already, but we'll see. I don't think it's not glued yet. Okay, I'll check it out later. So this is your Myflydream Crosswind Mini 1600 FPV mapping gear. It took a while before it reached me because of the local customs protocols here in the country, but we'll see how this thing flies, and I'll see you again. Thank you for watching.